When most drivers think about keeping their engine alive, they immediately jump to oil changes, coolant flushes, or spark plugs. But here's the twist. Sometimes it's not just about what you replace, it's about what you clean. Dirt, carbon deposits, and gunk are silent killers that slowly choke your engine from the inside out. And if you ignore them long enough, they can lead to catastrophic failure. In this video, we are going to uncover 7 cleaning tricks that might actually save your engine from an early death. Stick until the end because hack number 7 alone can make your engine last over 300,000 miles. Let's get started. Hack number 1. Clean your throttle body regularly. Think of your throttle body as your car's lungs. It decides how much air goes in when you press the gas pedal. Over time, carbon and sticky deposits build up on the throttle plate, and suddenly those lungs are wheezing. The engine starts to idle rough, hesitate when accelerating, or even stall at traffic lights. A dirty throttle body also confuses your computer into mixing fuel incorrectly, which means wasted gas and lost power. Want fix? Clean your throttle body. Here is how to clean the throttle body. Step 1. Locate your throttle body. It is usually located where the intake meets the engine. Step 2. Remove the intake hose to expose the butterfly valve. Step 3. Hold the throttle plate open by hand or with a helper. Step 4. Spray throttle body cleaner onto a clean rag. Step 5. Wipe away black carbon deposits around the edges and bore. Step 6. Repeat until shiny clean, then reassemble everything. Step 7. Start the engine. It may idle rough briefly as cleaner burns off. I once cleaned a badly clogged throttle body in a friend's car, and he thought I had rebuilt his engine. It ran that smooth. So don't wait until your car starts coughing. Give it clean airways to prevent an early breakdown. Hack number 2. Flush the fuel injectors. Fuel injectors are the heart surgeons of your engine. They deliver precise fuel amounts with pinpoint accuracy. The spray turns uneven, fuel burns poorly, and your engine struggles, causing misfires, knocking, and even piston damage over time. By using a fuel injector cleaning additive every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, you wash away deposits before they become serious. For stubborn buildup, professional ultrasonic cleaning may be needed, but regular additive use keeps injectors spraying like new and makes the engine run like new again. Here is how to use fuel injector cleaning additives. Step 1. Buy a bottle of fuel injector cleaner. Step 2. Pour it into the fuel tank before filling up. Step 3. Fill the tank with fresh gas. Step 4. Now drive normally. Cleaner works as fuel circulates. Hack number 3. Clean the mass airflow sensor. The MAF sensor is tiny, but it's one of the most important sensors in your entire engine. Its job is to measure incoming air so the computer knows exactly how much fuel to inject. Over time, dust, pollen, and oil residue coat this sensor, leading to wrong readings. That means your engine may run too rich or too lean. A simple spray of MAF sensor cleaner every 20,000 to 30,000 miles keeps it accurate. The process takes less than 10 minutes. Here is how to clean it. Step 1. First, locate the MAF sensor, which is usually located on the intake tube between the air filter and throttle body. Step 2. Unplug the connector and carefully remove the sensor using a screwdriver. Step 3. Spray MAF sensor cleaner only. Step 4. Spray the wires or sensing elements gently, but do not touch them. Step 5. Let the sensor air dry completely for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 6. Reinstall, reconnect, and start the car. By keeping it clean, you ensure smooth combustion, prevent misfires, and save thousands on potential engine damage. This cleaning trick alone can add years to your engine's life. Hack number 4. Flush your cooling system. Your cooling system is one of the most overlooked but critical parts of preventing engine failure. Old coolant becomes acidic and filled with rust, scale, and dirt, which clogs the radiator and water passages. This leads to overheating, which is the #1 cause of blown head gaskets and seized engines. By flushing the coolant every 2 to 3 years and refilling with fresh fluid, you remove debris that damages the water pump and thermostat. Here is how to flush your cooling system. Step 1. First, ensure the engine is cold. Step 2. Place a drain pan under the radiator. Step 3. Open the radiator drain plug and drain old coolant. Step 4. Close the plug and fill with a radiator flush solution plus water. Step 5. Run the engine with the heater on for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 6. Shut off, let cool, and drain the flush mixture. Step 7. Refill the radiator with 50 by 50 fresh coolant and distilled water. Step 8. Now bleed air from the system by opening bleeder valve or running engine with radiator cap off. A clean cooling system maintains stable operating temperature and protects against catastrophic overheating. This simple cleaning habit can literally save your engine from cooking itself to death. Hack number 5. Clean or replace your PCV valve before disaster. The positive crankcase ventilation valve doesn't get much attention, but it's the silent guardian against sludge. It vents harmful gases and keeps your engine oil clean. But when the PCV valve clogs, those gases stay trapped, turning fresh oil into thick sludge that blocks passages and starves your engine of lubrication. Over time, this can lead to leaks, failed seals, and even catastrophic engine damage. Cleaning or replacing this tiny valve is one of the cheapest maintenance steps you can do yourself at home. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Locate your PCV valve, which is usually located on a hose connected to the valve cover. Step 2. Remove the valve by pulling or unscrewing. Step 3. Now, shake it. If it rattles, it's still working. If not, it's clogged. Step 4. Spray inside with carb cleaner until it flows freely. Step 5. Let it dry completely before reinstalling. If cleaning doesn't work, replace it. It's usually under $15. Hack number 6. Clean the engine exterior. While most people ignore it, a dirty engine bay can actually shorten engine life. Built-up grease and oil trap heat, and excess heat is the enemy of engine longevity. Dirty engines also hide leaks, meaning you may not notice a coolant or oil leak until it's too late. By spraying a gentle degreaser and rinsing off dirt and grime, you keep your engine cooler and easier to inspect. Make sure to cover electrical parts with plastic bags while cleaning. A clean exterior also prevents rubber hoses and belts from deteriorating faster due to trapped oil. This simple wash can save your engine from overheating and hidden failure. Hack number 7. Clean or replace the EGR valve and passages. The EGR system reduces emissions by recirculating exhaust gases back into the intake. Over time, carbon buildup clogs the valve and passages, which lead to poor performance, knocking, and even engine overheating. A dirty EGR valve forces the engine to run hotter, which can crack the head gasket or warp the cylinder head. Here is how to clean your EGR valve. Step 1. First, disconnect the negative battery cable. Step 2. Locate the EGR valve, which is usually located on the intake near the throttle body. Step 3. Remove it with a wrench. Step 4. Spray carb cleaner into the valve and passages. Step 5. Use a small brush or pipe cleaner to scrub carbon buildup. Step 6. Let dry completely. Step 7. Reinstall with a new gasket if needed. By cleaning the EGR valve with carb cleaner and scraping carbon from the passages, you restore proper function. This prevents excessive combustion chamber heat and keeps the engine running smoothly. A clean EGR system not only prevents engine failure, but also improves fuel efficiency and reduces emissions. That's all for this video. All of these cleaning tricks target hidden buildup that silently kills engines over time. By keeping airflow, cooling, fuel, and ventilation systems clean. You eliminate the root causes of overheating, poor combustion, and oil sludge, the three main culprits behind engine failure.